have to find those beets sticking out. So that's pretty much it for the fall growing season. Nothing's really going unless it's in the raised bed that I direct sowed there. So I'm just covering it up with the leaves. Got leaves over the rows and in the bed over there. My seedlings that I had just kind of fizzled out and I got busy, and so this is what it is. So I've decided to just put the rows and everything to bed for the winter. And the idea here is that we put all of this with the leaves from the trees, and we're gonna, anytime we get more leaves or any type of material, and just kind of layer it on there. And the idea is that once it starts raining, snowing, and everything like that, it's really going to start weighing that down, composting the leaves and stuff, and twofold. So it actually regenerates the soil and creates like a compost, but it's also protecting the soil underneath and keeping it warm, which you're keeping the microbes and the bacterias alive. I don't even know if our soils get that cold here, but I learned this from a lady that was in Michigan, and their soil definitely gets that cold. But sounds good. I'm gonna do it. It's if anything, it helps regenerate the soil, and we'll get back to it here in a few months. That's about it.